Hello friend, today we are studying the monoculture. BSc first year, paper number 3, unit number 1st by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded. Some example of prawn species used in the monoculture technique. Pernicius indicus is shown in figure. Pernicus monodon is also shown in figure. Metapernus afrin, common prawn of a paddy field in West Bengal. Metapernus dobosoni, dominant species of a brackish water in 11 cm in length. Metapernus monocirrus 17 cm in length. Paraperinopsis stallifera 2-year-old specimen is of 11 cm in length. Paraperinopsis sculpellis is 14 cm in length. Macrobachy-brachymum cardiocinus freshwater species 11 cm in length. Endogenous carp Catla characterized by the body oblong 4-side view. Eyes are situated on the lower halves of a lateral line, and it does not breed in a pond. Embryo hatch after 10 to 18 days of fertilization, and adult characterize attained after 16 weeks of hatching. It attained a length of 38 to 45 cm at the end of first year, with an average weight of 900 gram. At the end of second year, weight about 4 to 5 kg. Fecundity, egg laying capacity 80 eggs per gram of body weight, especially when it becomes 2-year-old and weight is about 5 kg. Labiorohita rohu, characteristic, dorsal profile of a body more complex than the abdominal. Dorsal fin originated midway of shoot and base of the caudal fin. The body color is bluish and brownish and silvery on a side and belly. It is a freshwater species but may alive in a blackish water as a catla. The confined water is suitable for a cultivation, however it does not breed in a confined water. Fecundity 15 to 75 cm long specimen lay about 2 lakh to 25,500 to 27 lakh 94,000 eggs. Average egg per body weight of the body and 1,258 eggs per gram of body weight. Labio kalbasu, or it is also known as a kalbasu. Characteristic, it is a freshwater silverfish with a reddish or orange fins. It is seen in India during the monsoon from mid-May to June. A female having a weight of 500 to 340 length can be given 2 lakh 19,450 eggs, that is 430 eggs per gram body weight. Eggs are deposited floated river margin and oval in shape and measures about 5.3 to 6 mm in diameter. Sirenus mrigal, characteristic, they are the freshwater river fish which do not breed in a confined water but sometimes it is in a reservoir. The larvae are collected from the river and able to transport over a long distance. It attained a sexual maturity when it only 1 year old. Spanning period of in a year in India is from May to June. After 6 months, it becomes 24 cm in length and 340 gram in weight. And at the end of the first year, weight is about 1.1 to 1.8 kg and length is 45 to 61 cm. pond contains more than the sufficient quantity of a decaying organic matter are able to produce more than 1100 kg hectare per year. Exotic carp is also known as the silver carp. Distribution: it is found in South and Central China and transplanted into Japan, Taiwan, Malaysia. From Malaysia to Sri Lanka, it introduced in India in 1959. Characteristic: it does not breed in a pond but sometimes it in reservoir. It able to live slightly blackish water, fry and collect from the river and river in nurseries. Breeding take place from April to June. During the first year growth not very fast, and however in the second year average length reaches to 33 mm and weight is 900 gram, and the length after the third year become 450 mm and weight is 1.8 kg. Ctenophagondon idilla grass carp. Does not introduce. It has been introduced in India in 1970. Characteristic: it is the first freshwater fish suitable for pond and does not breed in a conflict condition. In China, spanning period is from May to June. An egg seed deposit in the middle of a river in a rapid current. They usually hatch in 30 to 40 hours at the temperature range between the 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. Larval queries in adult shape is 15 to 20 days. At the end of first year, they attain the length of 120 to 300 mm and weight about 225 to 500 gram. And at the end of the second year, length is about 600 mm and weight is about 1.8 to 2.3 kg. At the end of fourth year, they become a 4.5 kg in weight and can be grown along in a pond. The male baby mature in a 2 year, while female years later. Female fish weighing 3 to 4 kg. It has been found possesses 1,80,000 to 4,92,075 eggs. Carpinus carpio is also known as a common carp. It is introduced in India from Sri Lanka 1839. Characteristic: it is a major carp, attain a length about 300 feet. It is essentially common water fish, but is being hardly and essentially adapt itself to the warm water to the tropics. In the worldwide, it is the most extensively cultivated. In India, it is first stocked in Nilgiri Hill, and however, it has now been distributed other states also. Natural food organism. Phytoplankton are shown in figure. Natural fish food organism. Zooplankton are shown in a figure. Here the natural food preference from ascetic carp at different stages of life. These are the life stages and the species which eat at the different food at different life stages. Catalam. Protozoans. In larval stage, protozoan, rotifer, unicellular algae are eaten in a fry. Protozoa, rotifera and crustacean are eaten in fingerling. Crustacean algae along rotifers and some vegetable debris. Adult crustacean, algae, rotifer, plant and matters etc. are eaten. Rohu species do larvae same food is eaten and fry is a protozoan, rotifera, crustacean, unicellular algae are eaten, and fingerlings, vegetable debris, phytoplankton, crustacean debris etc. are eaten, and adult vegetable debris, macroscopic plant debris and mud are eaten. Mrigal, Sirenus mrigal, larvae eat the same food but fry eat the crustacean, rotiferous, planktonic algae, and fingerlings eat the vegetable debris, unicellular algae, debris and mud, and adult eat a blue-green filamentous algae, diatom, piece of the macrophytes and decays vegetable matter, mud, and detritus. Species grass carp eat a protozoa, rotifera, and carpioid nuclei, and fry eat the protozoa, rotifer, crustacean, macroablanthons, debris, macroalgae, plant filament. Fingerlings eat the detritus and the aquatic plant. Adults eat the aquatic plants such as Olivia, Lamina, Spirondella, Hadrilla, Najas, Ceratophyllum, Chara. Silver carp eat the unicellular phytoplankton and organism nuclei and the rotifer by the larvae. Fry eat the cephalopods, chelidons and the phytoplankton, and the fingerlings eat the flagella, Dactyloflagella, Maxophalis, and the Brachiophytes, etc. Adult eat mainly phytoplankton. Species common carp. Larvae eat the protozoa, rotifera, Ctenophobia, molina, nuclei. Fry eat the rotifer, cyclops, Ceridophonia, monia, nuclei, euglena, osteria, etc. And fingerlings eat the dapsons, cyclops, and the other food insect, ceramid larva. Adult eat the declined vegetable matter, worms, mollusks, cyrenomoids, ephemerids, and the trypanopredans. Thank you.